Hi girls, this is Shell. I'm back with another tutorial. It's a quickie, very nice, very short one. I have done all of my face and I have done this blue liner today. It's like a muted blue color. You can take it dark, you can make it brighter, you can make it lighter, whatever way you want. I have been using this Guilty Mood by Linda Hallberg. These pencils are amazing. You need to get them. If you want to have it delivered to Pakistan, they even deliver to Pakistan. It's amazing, amazing brand. And the color payoff is amazing. They stay for very long and they have a beautiful effect and nice thin line that you can draw on your face. So for this eye look, it's going to be only the bronzer. I'm going to take my bronzer. I'm using the Laguna and I am only going to darken my crease. This is basically a liner technique for hooded eyes. So I am just darkening my crease a little bit. So what it will do, it will contour my eyes a bit and give it a nice dimension. Just this much. So they look much more deeper. For the Guilty Mood, we are going in with this. What I will do is I will do the wing first. I will remain thickest here and then as I will move inwards, I will pull my eye a little bit and I will go thinner. It is roughly the shape. Now I will take this brush. This is Sigma Detail Lip Brush. It is an amazing brush. A thin fine tip. Pull eye. Go over the liner. What a beautiful song. Keep on going out. Keep on going out. So once this is done, I will take the Q-tip. These are the cosmetic tips. You can use a normal tip. And just clean along the outer edge. So once this is done, you will see in the mirror how much wing you have for both the eyes. Sometimes the hood on one side is bigger than the other. This hood is bigger than the other one. So I will extend a little bit more. So they both look very similar to each other. Now my mascara primer. I am going to use Marc Jacobs mascara primer. It's a lifesaver. So I have just coated the eyelashes with a single small coat. And then I am going in with the Sephora Size Up mascara. I am totally loving it. The wand is amazing. And I have seen that it coats and it lengthens. It coats each and every lash very well. Zero fall off as far as I have seen. Go to the base and round. Go to the base and round. So we are just trying to get much of the product in the base of the lashes. And then along the lower lash line. Now the next step will be application of highlighter in the inner corner to give it a pop of color like I did in this one. I am using this by Surat Beauty. You can use anything. You can use your regular highlighter. I find this has a nice pronounced effect on the inner corner, which I totally like. Go once again in with the Morphe White. So girls, this is the finished look for today's liner. Very nicely done, very effective, very comfortable, quick, fast, 5-minute eyes. Doesn't take more than that. It's enough for summers. You don't need very dark, very harsh colors in summers. It gives a pop of color with a matching top or whatever, and you can use anything. So girls, I hope you like this tutorial. If you would like to see more of the colored liner looks, we will do some more. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all.